Welcome to the DPC BUILD Tracker. This tutorial will tell you how to generate a QR code that attendees can use to register for DPC activity sessions. The QR code will allow attendees to easily register themselves. First, sign in to the BUILD Tracker. Click on the Activities Catalog link. Find the activity that you would like to get a QR code for and either create a new session or click on a pre-existing session. On the Activity Session page, you will find a button to generate QR code. Click on this button. Another page will open up with a description of your activity session, the QR code, and a print button. You can open this web page on a monitor during your session or print the page. Click on the light blue Print This Page button. It will allow you to print a physical copy that you can take to your session. Attendees can use their smartphone camera to access a form to enter in their info to register. Thank you for your participation in the DPC.